Hey guys, I'm Rionica.
I'm Celeste.
And I'm Isaac.
And today we're making apple
Berry.
Munch.
Okay, first what we want to do is we're going to cut our banana. Next we're going to cut an apple, any type of apple you like. And during this process, you might want to have adult supervision when you're using a knife. Save the other half for later for a snack or to make another smoothie. Now we're going to make a fish out of this apple. So do as thin or as thick as you want. And we're going to make a tail too. You're going to cut those into a little triangle so we can make a tail and a fin. And if you want to set aside one of the seeds to make a little eye too. So we want to put our banana, apple, and blueberries into the smoothie. We also want to take out 4 blueberries so we can decorate it for later when we're done making it. Here you go.
Next, we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of water, a little bit of ice, and then we're gonna start blending.
Now that that's done blending, we're gonna get our bowl and put our smoothie in there.
So once your smoothie's made, you're gonna have to put in your fish in the center, made, and then you're gonna put in your blueberries all around the room. And you're done.
Now you have your appleberry munch, a quick, easy, and delicious snack.
Enjoy.